I really want to leave at 7.
I got 3.
Is
I'm
it?
afraid because 3 doesn't have a tab. There's another one that doesn't have a tab too, though.
Yeah, that has no sound.
If I get dog food, I'm gonna cry.
Yeah, I don't get 1. Wait, if this is 3, then I don't really care what 1 is.
Alright.
I'll get it all the way.
Sorry.
Why are you pulling it down?
No, I think this is it. It's got an orange label. A little bit on the bottom. The pedigree is orange. And yellow. If I get dog food, I'm gonna be so
I'm
mad.
so happy. Oh no, you got pumpkin. Oh, you're right.
I got pumpkin.
Oh, God,
It
please
doesn't
don't.
move. How do you...
Ew.
I like it better in pie form.
And we go.
That's nasty. Oh, gross.
Oh god, no. Please tell me this isn't.
No, it's good.
Oh, I didn't see that. Maybe I was just going to hold it, you know? It didn't have a tab. It's not dog
Okay,
food.
it didn't. I don't know what this is then.
Nope,
That's dog food.
I want you to look at the hearty
That's dog
deliciousness of this dog food here.
Oh my god, no.
It's dog food.
Oh no. Can I not eat it?
Yeah, you have to.
You have to. Just take a little, like here. Like here.
Just take a little nibble.
Can someone else eat it with me? Emma, eat it with me.
We'll all eat it, okay?
Okay, fine. Here, give me my spoon and we'll all try a little.
Ah!
Oh my god. And we have to try some of the baby food too. You got like roast crab.
Here, I'll take
Oh,
a giant
I cry.
spoon for you, Emily. Alright, I'll take a lot
so
of it.
disgusting.
You see this, like, I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna eat it for you, Emily.
It doesn't smell very good.
It tastes like a hamburger.
Oh, okay.
It's actually not that bad. I just wouldn't eat it regularly. Because it's actually not as great, but it's not that bad.
It's like shit.
It's like chunky. It's chunky and chewy, so it's kind of like eating a really gross chunky soup. Alright, whose turn is it? It's Courtney's turn.
That was nasty. I'm cleaning out my spoon.
Oh, I understand why dogs have bad breath now. I can like, oh, gross.
It's like chunky, Emma. Oh no! I'm just happy I haven't spit anything out yet.
I refuse to throw up.
Courtney's been, a couple times I've gagged, but. Courtney, eat an orange. Okay, where's the oranges? Right here.
Here, Courtney, it's your turn actually. Sorry.
Oh, yeah. That's
Not my spoon. Oh, it's dog breath. We're all have dog breath right now.
I feel pretty disgusted with myself.
Okay.
Actually.
That'll be dog food.
Nah, I'll survive. Courtney.
Why'd you get like dog food with nothing too? And then like you're like,
Here, Courtney.
okay.
Stop being a wimp.
I almost puked. Did you not hear me gagging?
Yeah.
I gagged a couple times because I was like,
I didn't get it 'cause I'm not doing
please be 7. I want to eat it.
2.
Oh, you've got Fluffy?
Stop getting the good food or I'll kill you. She got peaches.
Did you have peaches?
No, she had
Oh, what did I
else.
ask
She had oranges.
No, I had.
Good cocktail, that's what it was. Can I get something to go
Dude,
with?
what is this? This one, I want
I got a 7.
damn it. Whatever number 1 is, I get it.
See, we all know what 7 was.
They have the food!
And we got the really gross chunky kind of baby.
But it's mixed fruit I'm not sure that